Uncle, see you there. Papa, are we ready to go to Separt farm?
Yeah, we are getting ready.
Okay.
Separt farm now.
Okay. Hey guys, so I and all my family are in Separt right now in my dad's bamboo plantation project. And yeah, Separt stands for Social Ecology Planting and Animal Rearing Development. Wow, that's a long name. So in short, that's Separt, and we are in Separt farm. My mom, my dad, everyone, they're clearing up and cleaning the bamboos, and we'll be here for a while. So I just wanted to show you guys that. And later we brought some mimis and we are gonna eat shinju. Bye! Mama! Oh, were you recording that?
Yeah, lame.
Oh, I swear. See this thing. Oh. And Dad, how many this bamboo plant you have here right now? Kya ka total je?
Right now,
Should above group la jaga above kle.
the group,
Oh, how many group then?
about 50,000.
Oh, 50,000.
We have started during 2014.
Oh, I thought around 100 or
Now it is
50,000.
about 50,000.
Also, I brought only one white sneaker. Oh. Oh, hen winning. Hen.
One,
egg.
two, three,
How many?
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
Karui.
16.
That is it snake's hen. Oh, snake's egg.
No.
Let's go and boil the 2 egg in the kitchen farm. Spring onion. Oh, come this side, nursery plant. I'll show you nursery plant. So see, there's so many nursery plants. Can you see? Dad was trying to do nursery plant last year, no? But it didn't work out, right? I'm going to be so tan. I didn't wear full sleeve. So that you're resting. And Dad's friend is working up there. So, oh, this is a nice cake. I wanted to ask you, what do you plan to do with all these bamboo plants?
Yeah, this actually we are planning to set up one bamboo industry.
Okay.
Industry means small scale industry, cane and bamboo, something like that. But right now I don't have capital to start.
Come closer.
And others, I want to sell it to other big farms,
Oh, okay.
like NRL now.
Oh,
I want to sell. Especially this Tulda bamboo.
oh,
Tulda bamboo people like this, to buy this one.
yeah.
So I have invested a lot here,
That's very
but
nice.
I have not sell out anything.
Since
but-
2014, no?
Yeah, but this year, sure, we are trying to sell out.
Okay, thank you. Rest. I just finished asking Dad some questions so that my viewers would understand. And I'm so tired. Let's go to another destination. Hey guys, this is our Ayis farm, and look at this maize. They're already big. Did you see that? Wow. I can't wait to come and eat it. Even though it's not mine, I was like, I want to eat it. Anyway, now we'll go down there, we'll rest. We bought some like boiled egg and we shall rest and we'll head back. She's down there. So let's go and check it out. Awoji, Awowi farm. Samthandale. Shawonihi. Chú hề lá chú hề. Sao thế quýt la?
Mày chả rất là quýt la.
Nhiều đấy. Ôi, here, sao phải là có mimi giá thì nắm hàng tiêu này mới chị. Really, I'm having a really good time here. Really, I wish you guys can feel this air, feel the vibe, and just see things with your eyes. It's so nice. The camera doesn't do justice, but anyway, it looks really tropical because of the Yongchak stinky bean. Yeah, stinky bean. Anyway guys, I'm going to end my vlog here. Thank you for watching till the end. I'm so exhausted, tired, sweaty, and yeah, I'll see you guys real soon. Bye.